Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I will show you in this video how to remove WinRAR list from right click context menu in Windows PC. Please subscribe my channel for more latest video. For remove, first of all press Windows key, then type here WinRAR. Hit enter. Then select option. Click on settings. Click on integration. Then select context menu items. Here you uncheck all option. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now you can see here WinRAR list removed. So in this way you have removed WinRAR list from right click context menu. Thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.